Does Onikabuto really exist?
このオニカブトムシすっごい強い。
皆さん、こんにちは。Stepastr です。It's been a year that I have been learning Japanese, learning the culture and different aspects of the life, but there is a thing that I haven't gotten yet. Does Onikabuto really exist? Well, even if they don't, today they are going to exist, because I'm gonna make one. As you can see, I love stuffed animals, but I have never done one myself. That had to be fixed. For this, we will need different colors of felt. I have a bundle with 5 colors, but I'm going to need just 3 of them. Scissors, different ropes, I haven't decided which one will I use, needles, and stuffing for toys and other things. Let's start! For the first time I have an actual schemes of how you should cut it, and they are available in the description. You just need 3 colors, the darkest one, like something in the middle, and the lighter one. I will start with the darkest color. I outlined all the details with a crayon, and now we have the scheme on the list, and we only need to cut it out. Time to cut out all of the pieces, and actually felt is very nice to cut. Try it one day. Gosh, why did I do that? I already have cut all the pieces. This will be the legs, so this will be the horns and a little ornament here, plates and the base. I will need little needles for holding it all together and needles for actual sewing. And I'm going to use the red rope because I think this will look nice with purple. First of all, I want to create a cylinder from the lighter part. And from the second darker part, we also need to create a cylinder, but a little bit different, more triangular one. Now we have 2 parts, we just put one into another one. Time to stitch it up. I was doing this for a pretty long time, and as it proved to be, I'm not the best sewer. Then we'll have some kind of sausage, and we need to stuff it all, so it will be just like crab legs. Now I only need to do this 6 more times. It has been a few hours, and that's what we have. 6 legs, both, I don't know, and I'm going to sew them onto this platform. I attached all the legs, and it creates an interesting pattern on the spine. I think the most difficult part will be making this an actual volume, because I still do not really understand how I will do it, but doesn't matter. And I sew all the pieces on the perimeter. Oh my gosh, guys, look! It is already a beetle, but I have started doing I attached the next thing, and the result was interesting. At first, it didn't seem right, but now I look at the camera and look! But he's still empty inside. Don't forget to feed your beetle, so it will be strong and puffy. It's like a dumpling, I don't know why. Yeah, it's pretty tough. The next step is kind of boring, you just need to attach the lighter things on the darker ones. I have just remembered that first I need to sew together these 2 horns. This will be a little bit different, and fill them all with stuffing. And only then I can attach this because it's different. I stitched the horns as it's shown in the video and stuffed it all with interesting things. Then we should put it on the body, and this is what we will have. Okay, I'm sorry for the quality of the video. It's almost midnight. I started like in 3 p.m, sorry. This is where I am now. Now I will do a montage, and then you will see the final results. Stepastr got his own beetle, but was he satisfied with it? He found an interesting idea. Guys, I have just had a craziest idea. I have just found these lights. They work on batteries, and it means that I can make my bug glow in the dark. I have found a hole. I did not intend it, so I can put the battery block in. It will not be seen, and I just need to make these lights to stay in the right place. Crazy, right? And oh my gosh, it glowed in the dark so nicely. That is so interesting and mysterious. I think that was a very right decision. It now looks a little bit like Ladybug. the beetle came out even better than I imagined. And if you want to learn how to make visions from Genshin, click this video or you know, my Onikabuto is ready for fight. Stay yourselves and stay with me and bye!
Yo,